What's up everybody, it's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video, I will be actually kind of upgrading the system that I already did on my Civic. So what I did is I got the amp that had the high level inputs and I had the subwoofer. That was wrong. I did not mean to do it like that because, you know, I'm still new at this whole thing. So today what I'm going to be installing is a line output converter, but it's an active one, so it's going to need power and a ground. And it's actually the lc7i, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it.
So the next step you're going to do, you're going to cut these wires here. And because I took off the labels, I have to go off of what these wires are telling me. And I'm just going to plug them straight into the lc7i before I move on to the next wires. So let's go ahead and do that. So I just wanted to let you guys know, with the lc7i, you can it's just like the amp with the inputs. You plug them in and then you just screw it down, so you don't have to do any of that crimping like this, which is annoying and sometimes doesn't work unless you solder them, you know. So this is definitely a nice feature, and then you just go out with RCAs. So let me go ahead and do these two, and then I'll show you what's up. So once you get these, the main input, channel 2, channel 3 in, you can throw your ground, and then your 12 volt, and then your remote out. Since this has the great turn on feature, it turns on by itself once it senses speaker noise. And then what you can do, you can remote out to your amplifier. So what I'm doing for the ground and the 12 volt is I'm getting the power from the amplifier, right? And also I'm going to ground it from the amplifier because this has the great turn on feature. So even though I'm getting the power from the amp, it still won't turn on unless it senses speakers. So so yeah, that's pretty much it. And for the subwoofer, I know you only have 2 wires, but then again, with the input from this is the high level input cable, I can cut this and go negative, positive, left, right, just like that. So once you got everything put together, as you can see, you're gonna put the remote in right there. And now you just gotta plug in your RCAs to there and plug in the battery. You should be good. Alright, so I got the RCAs ran all the way to there. Just make sure you put the right colors in the right area and you should be all set. And now you just need the subwoofer, and then we can output those subwoofer wires from there to the subwoofer box when I get it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one. See ya.